Ano, very good. Very good. Good morning. Basta kuya.
Basta kuya. Oh, number.
Good morning, number niyo, sir.
Siyempre, number 3.
Ayun na.
Kasama yan sa top 3.
Malala. Mababang numbers.
Yan ah.
Lagay po lang sa...
Sige sir, thank you po.
Upper right, yes.
What? Checkpoint 2, checkpoint 3.
Ayun o, follow mo daw doon.
Ate Liza, morning.
Doon, follow mo daw siya.
Saan ang ano? Kaya may... Don't canopy.
El Verde,
Hi, Dad.
Camp Depot, Sole and Juno,
Overland.
Eagle Square
Sure,
Lake Park
top
Off-Road,
10. Nasa
all
top
about
10
me,
kami.
Flans. Number 3, ready na, number 3.
Batch number 3, June Alulod.
Uy!
We are doing happy birthday. Fanag Festival 2025 passports.
Parang kaya ko naman na dito. Nish, saan si ano sa'yo? Anak inis na
Yan o. Number 3 po.
Number 3. Ilan sila, sir?
Dalawa ng wife.
Tapos, may po dalawang souvenir staff. Pabigay na lang.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yan o. Tara. Yeah. So, kamusta naman?
Saktong-sakto lang, boss! Hindi umuulan!
Yan o.
Bumabagyo lang.
Ano, very
Very,
good.
very good. Oh, yeah!
That's our 10.
This is Palaya Farm campsite. So, ganda. So nice. Oh, this is so nice. Dito ka pwedeng bumaba at magtampisaw. Over there.
Ito ng ilog.
Yeah. Maganda. Maganda dito. So, ito yung talagang campsite nila. Ganda. This is nice. May mga tipi hut. Yan, meron din ganyang kubo-kubo for rent. So, okay. So, ganda yung place.
Yung ano ba?
Chicken tacos.
Hi ma'am, hi boss.
Hello!
Yeah, Doc Joe.
Hi!
Sige boss. Kahit na pagod, maganda pa rin. Yeah.
Hi, Jan!
Pwede ma-check ba?
Nandiyan na po yung anak ko.
Okay lang po.
Ay, ganda!
Basa po yung Ayan, may t-shirt pa sa bawah. Naligo ka na. Naligo ka na. Nakapit sa tubig. Hey, sir.
Hello.
Hello, sir. Hello po. Pwede po mag-vlog? Okay lang po. Ganda ng setup. Basa po yung pa. Okay lang. Thank you.
Dito ma-all black.
Hello, doggy. Hello po. Thank you po. Thank you po. Ito na yung sagad. Sinarado na.
Oh yeah, feeling great. Listen, when I wake up, I put a smile on my face. It's time to shake up, until them haters get out your way. Bring the sunshine, don't let them rain on your parade. It's your day, tell them it's your day. If you're feeling good, well, it's time to feel great. Oh yeah. If you're feeling good, well, it's time to feel great on this beautiful day.
Number 90 to 100. 90 to 100.
Ilan ang ayuda?
Ayuda. Wala pang naman. Kahit yung lumpia ko ba yung sarap? Yung may sa lumpia ko ba pero
Anong sige, raffle ba? Raffle! Mararating din yan, basta? Ang hina? Hindi ko Isa pa! Mararating din yan, basta? Bayad lang!
marami!
Okay. So we have here Kings LED torch. Yes.
Magluto ka na doon. Nanalo ka ng ano.
Picture tayo.
Sina.
Nice again. Let's end with our last raffle.
Okay.
Sino yung mga below 10? Kayo pa rin? May sabuatan din. Sige, 005.
Swerte naman. Seryoso ba yan?
Punta.
Kain na. Goods na lang.
Meron pa tayo sa EDSA. Sino tumanda ng EDSA? Boss Gino is here. Good morning, Boss Gino. Yun, yung ating mga kahati sa sakit ng ulo. Thank you, Boss Gino.
Winter.
Welcome back, welcome back. Ayan, so, since nandito na kayo sa breakfast area, bisitahin nyo na itong My Coolman, okay?
Wash, 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 3 times a day. Wash, 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 3 times a day. Wash, 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 3 times a day.
Isa pa. Isa pa. Dali na.
119.
Wow, nakalampas din. See you again soon. Bye-bye. Thank you po. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Sobrang thank you din.
Belated happy birthday.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Sige.
Okay.
Sa ulitin ha.
Yes.
Of course.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Chef.
Thank you.
Thank you.